Hello student. Student, now we are on the topic types or development of endosperm. Student, you know what is endosperm? Endosperm is formed after the fusion of the second male gamete with polar nuclei, that is triploid, and the main function is it nourishes the developing embryo in the dicot. It nourishes the developing embryo in dicot as well as monocot. So there are three kinds of endosperm according to the development, according to the division of nucleus and wall formation. There are three kinds of the endosperm: nuclear, cellular and halobial, isn't it? So one by one let us see. This is the primary endosperm nucleus, this one, and in different examples, different phenomenon occurs. The first one is nuclear type of endosperm. In these children there is free nuclear division, mitotic division of PEN. PEN means primary endosperm nucleus. There is free nuclear division, and here karyokinesis occurs, but it is not followed by cytokinesis because here wall formation is not there. Karyokinesis occurs, that is the division of the nucleus, but it is not followed by cytokinesis, and we find here liquid endosperm, that is called syncytium. Liquid endosperm with several nuclei, several free nuclei, student. This word is very important. This is the characteristic feature. Syncytium, liquid endosperm, is the characteristic feature of Cocos nucifera or coconut. The best example of free nuclear endosperm is coconut or Cocos nucifera, isn't it, student? The main feature is karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis. All the nuclei they are suspended in the liquid endosperm, isn't it? Then the second one is cellular. In cellular, student, first transverse division occurs. Transverse division followed by the formation of nuclei in each area, each zone, and then it is followed by irregular cell division. Many nuclei are seen there and immediately followed by formation of cell wall. Cell wall formation occurs. This is the main difference between cellular and free nuclear, that here cell wall formation is observed and all these are nuclei. The best example of this cellular is dicotyledons. It occurs in dicots, isn't it? Last but not the least, that is halobial type. Halobial, student, halobial type of endosperm is the intermediate of both. It is the intermediate of the both. In the upper portion we will see free nuclear division, and in the lower formation of the cell wall. It is the intermediate of nuclear as well as cellular type. Okay, let us see what happens here. Here the PEN, primary endosperm nucleus, it divides and first transverse wall is formed. Transverse wall, and this transverse wall divide the chamber into chalazal chamber, upper one chalazal chamber and lower one micropylar chamber. And then, student, what happens? Very interesting thing occurs here in the halobial. As I told you, it is the intermediate of both. So in the upper chamber, that is chalazal chamber, here in this chalazal chamber, free nuclear division occurs without the formation of wall. Free nuclear division occurs while in the lower chamber, micropylar chamber, like this, like cellular, it occurs, and all the nuclei they get immediately surrounded by the formation of wall. Surrounded by wall, cell wall formation occurs. So it is intermediate of both, and it occurs mostly in monocots. It occurs mostly in monocot, and the best example is Eurymus. Eurymus is the best example of halobial type. So this is the main feature of three kind of endosperm children. First one is nuclear, second cellular, and third halobial. In the main feature of nuclear is there is free nuclear division without formation of any wall, and so that several nuclei suspended in the liquid endosperm is called syncytium, and here first transverse wall develops, and then there is irregular cell division and followed by immediate cell formation, cell wall formation, and the example is dicot. And the last one, very interesting, I told you, that is halobial, which is the intermediate of both. First transverse division give rise to upper large chalazal chamber and lower micropylar. In micropylar, the feature of cellular endosperm formation is there, and in the upper chalazal there is free nuclear division, feature of this nuclear endosperm. And example is Eurymus.